Hi everyone, hi sir. By discussing the Philippines President from Ramon Magsaysay until President Marcos Jr. Ramon Magsaysay, the seventh president received from 1953 until his death in 1957. As remember from the effort the fighting corruption and vegetation from land reform. His administration implement various initiatives uplift the lives of the poor and marginalized communities, earning him the reputation of being a champion of the common people. Magsaysay President was competition of the cleaning and most corruption, free in modern Philippine history. And 19th President Carlos P. Garcia. After Magsaysay, then Vice President Carlos P. Garcia took up an airing to the 8th President from 1957 to 1961. As, con- as continuous Magsaysay politics that focuses on economic development. And 9 President Diosdado Macapagal and 9 President served from 1961 to 1965 as best known for moving the country Independence Day from July to June 12 and intentional land reform pledges. And dito na si President Marcos, the 10th President. Ferdinand Marcos, the 10th President, rules the Philippines for 20 years, from 1965 to 1986. His regime was marked by martial law, corruption, and human rights. Absolute the continuing numerous project, but his role was also marred by controversy and alleged of corruption. Thank you.